My head hurts.
Okay. Maybe don't after this video. If you want to, it's up to you. But today we're gonna be teaching you how to do chicken. Alright, let me just. All you're really gonna need is explosive, maybe a couple, because if you miss.
A chicken's very easy to kill with just one dynamite or one grenade.
Yeah.
But I recommend grenade and crossbow because you can literally just kill that thing with like no sweat.
This can kill it, this can kill it, and this can kill it. Let's go! Whee! Yeah. I think this might actually be our shortest video yet because it's literally just. So if you watched our video on Armstrong, you should. If you watched our video on Armstrong, you should go watch. If you didn't, you should go watch that first because obviously that's the one before this. But if you have, just go to Armstrong, how you always would. We could use that to stun the chicken. So I could put it closer. We've also made a funny short about this guy. Okay.
There's a crate.
So, yes, crates are really good, but all you gotta do is lower this down a little bit. You can stop it at any time with the action button. Just lower it down. That's a short fuse. Well,
you stupid.
If you fail, don't worry, there's always room for failure. You can just go open up this crate and hope it has a grenade in it. If no crate spawns though and you fail, yes.
It doesn't really. The grenade is gone. Hey, bro, you might want to stay up.
Yo.
Okay.
Oh, no, that's it. I missed. Now we literally.
I can kill the chicken. I can kill the chicken.
Okay, now we literally have. Oh! Loot drops just respawned. So how are we gonna kill this? Oh, are we gonna do the wall mining strat?
Yeah.
Alright, don't worry, I got this. Then she'll drop a crate.
I killed her.
She'll drop one iron crate and one baby crate. These crates we don't really have.
And she'll drop her egg.
Oh, hey, guess what this does?
Lucas, here go.
Wait, what's my viewer? What's my viewer?
Egg.
Gren, I actually need to get that right now. My VR's about to die.
Shoot.
Oh yeah. Everyone, that's all for today's video. Have a good day. We'll make a different video. Put your comment suggestions in comments.